Windows updates are designed to improve stability and performance in your operating system. However, things don't always go as planned with these updates. One update might work perfectly fine, while the next one can introduce problems that affect how your system behaves. This happens because updates make many changes behind the scenes. Things like background services, power settings, and how drivers interact with your system can all be modified without you knowing about it. The same issue occurs with driver updates. One might install smoothly, but the next could cause problems. If you've been dealing with repeated issues from updates, the answer isn't to install every new update as soon as it comes out. Instead, you need to control when and how updates are installed. 3 key strategies to control updates. 1. Treat Windows updates as optional, not automatic. What to do? Pause updates after you reach a stable build to prevent unexpected issues. If your system is running well, pause updates for a while. Install updates manually only after checking reports that confirm they're safe. Why this helps? Many people wait to see if an update causes problems for others before installing it themselves. This approach prevents you from being an early victim of buggy updates. 2. Be careful with driver updates. What to do? Only install the newest driver if it fixes a problem you're currently having. Only update if there's a new feature you really need. Why this helps? If your GPU or chipset driver is working well, there's no reason to replace it right away. New drivers should only be installed when they solve a specific issue or support software you actually use. 3. Set up rollback options. Create restore points. Make sure System Restore is turned on. This allows you to roll back to a previous system state if an update causes problems. Know how to remove updates. If an update causes more problems than it solves, you can uninstall it. Go to Update History, scroll to the bottom and click Uninstall Updates. Find the problem update and remove it. Remember to pause updates afterward, especially for monthly updates, because Windows will try to download it again automatically. Stability comes less from having the newest version and more from sticking with what already works. By following these 3 strategies, you can prevent updates from causing performance and stability issues on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC.